Did you know? Figures from the National Health Survey conducted in 2010 shows an alarming increase in the percentage of Singaporeans smoking cigarettes, where 14.3% of adults are now smokers compared to 12.6% in 2004. Acrolein is one of the many chemicals found in cigarettes. It is a yellow, foul-smelling vapor that is produced by burning plants like tobacco. It is also man-made and is so poisonous that it is used for both pesticides and chemical weapons. Acrolein is easily absorbed into the bloodstream through the lungs, and scientists believe that it contributes to heart disease by affecting the way the body metabolizes cholesterol. Acrolein stops good cholesterol, which is high-density lipoprotein, from transporting the bad cholesterol, low-density lipoprotein, to the liver, leading to an accumulation of cholesterol in the body, and therefore an increased risk of heart disease. As of 2010, the proportion of adults aged 18 to 67 years with high total blood cholesterol in Singapore is 17.4%. This is actually more than 1/6 of the Singapore population. This leads to our research question. Is the mean total cholesterol of heavy smokers higher than that of non-smokers? The independent variable is smoker category, and the two selected groups are non-smokers and heavy smokers. The dependent variable is total cholesterol. We gathered data of total cholesterol levels from 50 non-smokers and heavy smokers each for a more significant difference if there's any. We found out that the difference for both is not significant enough to come to a definite conclusion that the average total cholesterol of heavy smokers is higher than that of non-smokers. Thus, we did a hypothesis test to further confirm our findings. To start off with our hypothesis testing, our null hypothesis is that the total cholesterol level of heavy smokers is not higher than that of non-smokers. Our alternate hypothesis is that the total cholesterol level of heavy smokers is higher than that of non-smokers. With that, the type 1 error is concluding that the total cholesterol level of heavy smokers is higher than that of non-smokers when it's actually not higher. Type 2 error would be concluding that the total cholesterol level of heavy smokers is not higher than non-smokers when it is actually higher. A possible consequence of type 1 error is that resources and time will be wasted helping heavy smokers to reduce or quit smoking with the intention of reducing their blood cholesterol levels. A possible consequence of type 2 error is that smokers who have high blood cholesterol will not see a need to reduce or quit smoking for the purpose of improving their condition. This may cause their risk of heart disease to increase. Since type 2 error has a more severe consequence, we chose the level of significance as 10%. Our test statistics is within the acceptance region, hence we do not reject the null hypothesis and the test is insignificant. In conclusion, we have found out that there is no difference between the total cholesterol level of heavy smokers and non-smokers. Despite the insignificant results, it is still a fact that smoking increases risk of diseases such as mouth cancer, lung cancer, and emphysema. So,
Don't puff your life away,